Let's make Athiya Shetty's refreshing smoothie recipe. It's a really simple morning smoothie that can be made in minutes. All you need is beetroot, tomato, spinach, and lemon. Start by chopping a beetroot. You only need a half of it for this recipe. Roughly chop the beetroot because in the end it just needs to be blended. Next, take a tomato. Now again you only need a half of it. Chop it in small chunks. Now put everything in the mixing jar. The one thing that's excluded in this recipe is ice cube because of the weather. I'll be adding half a glass of water, but you can increase or decrease the quantity according to the consistency you want. Transfer the blended smoothie in a serving glass. Now you just have to garnish it with a pinch of pink salt and a squeeze of half a lemon. Now mix everything and enjoy this smoothie. Personally, we really love this recipe because of its simplicity, and if you'll try, then you'll love it too.